2024 Range Rover D300 SE in Santorini Black. This car is going to sell because somebody's going to want black interior, black exterior, black wheels, black roof lining. It's got all them things, and it's got a sliding sunroof. This car is priced on our website for £92,000. It will have cost, we were just building it earlier, just short of 118,000. So it's a great buy. You've still got Land Rover warranty. It's done a few thousand miles, and it's a great colour combination. So, specification, the new Range Rover, the spec's massive. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, digital headlights. Like I said, big option, 23-inch wheels. Big optional extra, them transform the whole look of the car. You've got privacy glass on the rear. And if we just move to the back, you can see them wonderful LED lights, that big bumper at the back, which comes round all in gloss black. I'll just show you the size of the boot first. So we've got a split folding tailgate. Them seats, if you need to drop them, this is what I love about a big Range Rover. Look at that, how easy is that? Press the button. And you can see the darker roof lining. And I think that's important. Sometimes, you know, you do get them with a lighter roof lining. It's just all personal preference. But I think, you know, we get customers where they want black exterior, they want ebony leather, and they want a darker roof lining. And they also want gloss black grand veneer, so that's been paid for as an option. Cabin lighting, Meridian sound system, rear heated seats, lovely all the way through. Still even got like a new car smell to this. It's done 7,100 miles, but it's still lovely. Soft closed doors, standard. And then into the front, you've got all your driving features, blind spot monitoring. It's got all surround cameras, memory seats, heated wheel, adaptive cruise. It's a facelift model. So you've got the larger screen. It's also got clear sight camera option. And you've got tilt and sliding sunroof. The gloss black grand veneer is nice, certainly against the black leather. Right, features. So you've got full surround camera system, which is 3D. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay, you've got wireless charging. You've got park assist, cabin lighting. So on the big Range Rover as well, cabin lighting is a feature which you get as standard, so you can adjust all the interior colours. You've got air suspension, Alexa, all the features you would want. And they're so comfortable. This is a 300 horsepower. It's got all really the spec, and also Autobiography is the next two models up. From the exterior wise, you can't tell any difference. Interior wise, you get massage seats, you get an Alcantara roof lining. But I think something like this at this price point is a fantastic buy. You get all the spec, the roof, the heated wheel, heated seats, rear heated seats. It's got the right exterior with a 23-inch wheels with a privacy. And it's priced on the money. It's really good buy, this. If you want to get it reserved, you can call me. It's going live on all our platforms today. Thank you for watching.